We'll guide you through how to enable Find My iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having Find My iPhone enabled on your iPhone is a really great thing to do because it goes and keeps your iPhone a lot more protected. Essentially, it's a part of your Apple ID account. So what you can do is then go on other devices, whether that is another iPhone or it doesn't even have to be an Apple device, but you can go and log in to the Find My app. And then what you can do is you can go and remotely lock your iPhone if it gets lost or stolen. You can also go and play sounds to it as well if you just lost it in your house or in a bag. I've used that so many times, so I think it's a great feature to go and have enabled. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So first of all, go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. It's important to note you'll need to go and have your Apple ID account signed in here. So go and tap at the top and you can sign in if you aren't already. If you're finding this is grayed out, this is due to a screen time restriction on your iPhone. So you can go into screen time and go and turn off the restriction. And then you'll be able to go and tap on this like so. Then you'll be brought to the Apple account page and you'll be able to access the different settings here. So what you can do is go down and you can go and find the option for Find My. As you can see, there it is. What you can then do is go and tap on it like so. Now what you can do is at the top, it will go and say Find My iPhone. It's currently off. So what we can do is go and tap on this here and you can then go and switch it on. Now it's on. You also want to make sure Find My network is switched on. Then it means you're participating in the Find My network. And it's also worth turning on Send Last Location. So this will automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. So maybe it's still to go and find it if you left it somewhere. So with this on, we can now locate, lock, or erase this device and supported accessories. So that's it. Now you can go and check out the Find My app and it will go and appear in there. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. We've got loads more guides on the channel you can go and check out as well. So feel free to watch them. So thank you so much for watching and leave any suggestions down below you've got as well. Goodbye for now.